guys, this is Tanya.
And this is Divyanshi. We welcome you back to our channel Dramatic Chaos.
So in our previous video, a few of you commented that you want to see a haul video. So today we'll be doing a Sarojini Nagar haul for you guys.
And towards the end of the video, we'll be styling some of the stuff that we got from Sarojini Nagar. We hope you guys enjoy that. Wait, didn't we have to tell them something?
Exactly. So here are a few pointers that you need to keep in mind before you head to Sarojini Nagar. So here they are. So the first thing to keep in mind before heading to Sarojini Nagar is that you should know how to bargain, because Sarojini Nagar market works completely on bargaining, and even if you're having 2,000 or 3,000 bucks in your pocket, you can shop a lot from Sarojini Nagar. The only method to shop in Sarojini Nagar is that bargaining. If you are expert in that, you will get a lot of stuff from the market. And yes, that's all about it.
And the reason that you get stuff at such low prices in Sarojini Nagar is because this stuff is all of the rejected exports. What these people do is they go and they buy stuff in bulk and then they sell out here in the market at really cheap prices. So it's really important that you check the stuff which you buy. Suppose you're buying a scarf, alright? You need to properly lift the scarf and look at all of the corners, just in case it might be torn, mishandled or anything, so that you can be careful and ask for an exchange or maybe select another piece. Just be careful.
So the next thing to keep in mind is that you should carry a huge bag with you, because you will be shopping a lot and then you will be having a lot of problem to carry all the bags throughout the market. So it's better to keep a big bag with you so that you can dump all of the stuff in that, and it will be very easy for you to carry and shop a lot.
And the last pointer for today, after which you're all set to go shopping, is carry a water bottle with you. And if you're sensitive to heat, like me, like whenever I step out of the house, I get a really bad sunstroke if I'm exposed to the sun. Carry your sunglasses with you and a scarf which you can wrap around your head just in case of a heat stroke. Alright? Then also there are chances of pickpocketers around the market since it's a heavily crowded place. So be safe, keep your money in your wallet, in your bag, basically as safe as you can.
Yeah, so the first thing I got from the market is this long olive green patchwork shirt, and it was only for 200 bucks.
That's a great deal. I got a shirt as well, this denim shirt, and this was just for 150 bucks.
That was very cheap.
I know.
Yeah, so the next thing we have is this grey color shorts, and it has a Benetton logo on it.
Benetton.
Yeah, and it was for 120 bucks. Yeah,
nice. Well, I got shorts as well. These are the denim shorts, which are my favorite. These were just for 150 bucks. Again,
it's really nice. Yeah.
Denims for 150.
It's really nice. Okay, so what do we have next? Yeah, this is my favorite, and this is again a green color long maxi dress. And the best part about this dress is they have small 25 paisa coins instead of buttons, which makes it quite different. And it was for 350 bucks, and I think it's worth it.
Surely is. I have this tank top right here. It has a sequencing work. The neck is quite deep, but what you can do is you can just take these two ends here and tie a knot so that the neck, you can adjust it according to yourself. So I really love this one, and this was just for 200 bucks.
Okay, so the next thing is I love wearing harems, so I thought of getting this one at least. Yeah, so this is some dark reddish color, and it was for I think 200 or 250 bucks, I'm not sure.
Yeah. Bad memory.
Yeah, yeah, but somewhere between 200 and 250. So yeah, this is the third thing we have.
Well, I have next here a shrug, a medium length shrug. This is for 250 bucks.
And the next thing for 250 bucks only is this top. Finally, I got this one. This is a bell sleeve top.
Well, I have this scarf. It has a really nice print over it. This was just for 100 bucks. And just saying, you can get scarves at Sarojini for just rupees 50 as well. This is a long one, so it's 100 bucks.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can get very good scarves at Sarojini at a very cheap price. So I think it's the best place to get scarves if you are fond of scarves and stores. So yeah, okay.
I do not love wearing long skirts, but I love the print and the price I got, so I had to get it. Yeah, so this is a long black and white printed skirt. It was only for 150, so I had to get it.
I love long skirts. I have a long skirt here as well. This one is, it's kind of an Indian long skirt because of the border. As you can see right here, this is the border. And this skirt, this I got for 250.
And yes, some of the pieces, like most of the pieces we are wearing at the end of the video.
Yes.
So yeah, stay tuned for that. And moving on to the next thing, we have this cute skirt. I love wearing skirts, so this was for I think 120 or 120 to 150 bucks. Yeah.
Well, I have here my favorite piece of clothing from the haul. This cutwork shrug. It is a really cute one, as you can see. This I got just for 200.
Yeah, we went for shopping together and I and I did not got the same one, so yeah, I'm jealous of that.
That was the last piece left.
Okay, so the next thing is this really cute shorts, and
This
yes,
was the last piece of the shorts. I didn't get that.
and she's jealous of me now. And this was for I think 250 bucks, and
Yeah.
yes, it is worth it. So yeah, this is really cute, and I'm wearing this one at the end of the video as well. So yeah.
Well, I
watch
didn't
out
get
for
the
that.
shorts, but I did get a real nice plazo. There it is, a long one. This one was just for 200 again.
Okay, just like I'm not a big fan of scarves, but after seeing this one, yes, I fell in love with this. So yeah, this is
Really cute dark colored printed scarf, and it was only for 60 bucks. It has some bird
60.
print. Yeah,
As
60.
I said, 50, 60, that's the
Yeah,
range
and
of
it has a
scarves.
bird print on that, so yeah, it's really cute.
Well, I have this jumpsuit as well. What attracted me about this was the bow, which is right here. It gives it a really different look. This entire jumpsuit was just for 300.
It's worth it. So yeah. And this is okay. So this is really cute, and it's one of my favorite tops in the wardrobe. And this was for 250. No, it was for 300 bucks.
and you can wear it both ways, like off shoulder or single thing. So well, finally we have my last piece of clothing from the haul.
This is a really long shrug. It's a full length shrug basically. I bought it mainly because of its length. So this entire shrug was just for 300 bucks.
And this is the
I'm
last.
wearing that at the end of the video.
Yeah, and this is the last piece of my haul as well. And yes, this is the favorite piece from the entire haul, and I'm wearing this one as well at the end of the video. This is a long tube.
Dress with a floral print at the bottom, and it's kind of a fairy dress and for cute girl outing. Yeah, so I like this one. This was for
Only 200 bucks. Yeah, so yeah, I think we are done with the clothes haul, but yes, there is more to go, and let's move on to the accessories now.
one last thing to remember is that if you want to get all the stuff that we got from Sarojini Nagar that we showed in the video today, you need to move towards the center of the market as soon as you enter Sarojini Nagar. That is where all the stuff from exports is kept.
Yes, and we hope that you enjoyed the video. So I think we are done for today.
Yes, we are.
And yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Dramatic Chaos. And
Thank you guys. Bye bye.
bye.